Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something that's absolutely game-changing for developers: generative AI. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, generative AI can skyrocket your coding skills and boost your productivity like never before. So let's dive right in. Imagine having an assistant that can help you write code, debug errors, and even suggest improvements in real time. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with tools like GitHub Copilot, Codex, and other AI-powered platforms, this dream is now a reality. First off, let's talk productivity. Generative AI can automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more complex and creative aspects of your projects. No more wasting time on boilerplate code. AI can generate it for you in seconds. This means you can handle larger projects and meet deadlines faster than ever before. Now let's move on to code quality. Generative AI doesn't just write code quickly, it writes code well. These tools are trained on billions of lines of code and follow best practices. They can suggest optimizations, catch errors you might miss, and even recommend the most efficient algorithms. This leads to cleaner, more maintainable code, which is a win for everyone involved. But how does this help you improve your coding skills? Simple. By using generative AI, you get real-time feedback on your work. Think of it as having a mentor looking over your shoulder, guiding you through complex problems and teaching you new techniques. Over time, you'll start to internalize these best practices and become a better coder yourself. And let's not forget collaboration. With generative AI, you can easily share and review code with your team. AI can help standardize code formats and styles, making it easier for everyone to understand and contribute. This fosters a more collaborative and productive environment. So, there you have it. Generative AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can transform the way you code. By boosting your productivity, enhancing code quality, and improving your skills, it's a must-have for any developer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.